Larong pambansa. Following that impressive second-place finish, how did the region prepare for this year? Let's hear from the athletes themselves.
My name is Clarence Bulaklak. I am from Calibo Pilot Elementary School. I am from the province of Aklan, and my sport is chess. I train around 8 hours a day just to prepare for this Palarong Pambansa 2024.
Sam Kenji Bantillo ng athletics. Nag-training lang ma'am ng lang buwan. Tapos dito na, kondisyon para manalo sa mga laro ma'am. Maging champion ulit yung athletics secondary boys ma'am kasi last year champion eh. Sinikapan ng training ng na nagtiyagaan. Silas na to eh. Palaro.
Charles A. Lisondra and from Buena Vista National High School of Guimaras. And I prepare for Palarong Pambansa. Nagsusumika po kami ng mabuti sa training at ginagawa po namin yung strategy at technique na tinuturo sa amin ng aming trainer. Yan po.